This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the Quest 3 so the reset completes cleanly. Charge it above 50% or keep it plugged in to avoid shutdown. Make sure it is fully powered off. Once off, press and hold the power and volume down buttons together until the boot menu appears. You'll hear a prompt or see a small menu. This is the first actionable step. Do not release the buttons until the boot options show, because we need the bootloader to access factory reset. Once the bootloader menu is visible, use the volume up and down to navigate. Find and highlight the factory reset or wipe data option. This removes all accounts, apps, and local files. When factory reset is selected, press the power button to confirm. You'll see status lines and progress. Make sure you do not interrupt power or remove the headset. This is the critical middle step because the device erases and rebuilds system state, which can take a few minutes. When the factory reset completes, the menu returns, choose Reboot System Now and press power. The headset will restart like new. Once it boots, use the Meta or Oculus mobile app to pair and go through initial setup, Wi-Fi, and account sign-in. If the device gets stuck in boot or fails to complete, power cycle and repeat the boot menu steps. If that still fails, try a different power source or a USB-C connection to ensure stable power before retrying the factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.